My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 BMW 1 Series Sport Edition. This vehicle was done just under 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can get quick access to multimedia, radio, telephone, navigation, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.